Hey guys, so I'm looking at your email, Erica, and I am aware of all this. No road test is required for drivers that are been driving with us, right? That's what I was told. All this information, where do I put it in? I mean, even if I did a new driver, this is all I have to work with. I mean, I can't even be an administrator. I don't show up. I'm the trainer. I show up as, the trainer, Jose, which is here. But if I wanted to do a road test, I don't even show up. But these are the only options I have. Where do I put all of this other stuff that you're mentioning over here? Let me see, where is it at? Right here. Where do I put in all this? Matrix drivers need road test, okay. All this information, workbook, that they did all that they did the classroom. Where do I put all that? I don't see any field on here. All I have is the start date and end date of when they took the class. This is the training. That's all I have access to. I can't click on any of these. So I'm not sure what. Let me see here. Find drivers. These are my options when I log on. And then here I go to here. And then I see the report of all the drivers that passed. Now, everybody here is under 6 per class. 6 or under, I should say. The only issue I see on this one, I'll go slow so you guys can see it. There are 2 to 3 days per class in terms of the days. The only issue I see is that I started a class right after I ended a class. If that's the case, then only these 5 drivers should not be certified, because that would be the only issue. That I started a class the same day I ended a class. Other than that, I don't know what else to do, or I don't have access to do anything else. This is it. This is all I have. So you guys tell me what I need to do. Like I said, all the drivers that are on this list already have a road test on file, so they did need to do a road test. But all this info that you're asking about, where do I put that in? Why would this be, well, I shouldn't say why. This doesn't seem to be needed for them to be certified or uploaded, because I have no way of uploading. So, I don't know. You guys tell me what I need to do.